We've been talking it over, and we agree that on the basis of the work, it's easily the best presentation we've seen.
We'd like to award you the account, but frankly, there's a problem.
What's that?
You agreed to keep this assignment confidential.
I don't understand.
Obviously, you brought in freelance artists, typesetters.
You might as well hold a press
Now,
conference.
hold on.
All the work we've shown you was done by the people in this room on a computer.
What computer puts out work like this?
Hire us and we'll tell you.